Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I going to draw Allu Arjun face shading. So at first I am shading this upper portion of the face. Now I am using 4B pencil. After that I am using mechanical pencil. Now I am using 4B pencil and now I am using 2B pencil also. And after that mechanical pencil and blend it gently with painting brush. Now I am using 4B pencil for darkness. This is final step for shading. Now I am using 4B pencil and after that now I am using a 2B pencil also. Shade it very gently. Now mechanical pencil and now blending stump, which is very important for every portraits. This tool gives a very good result in portraits. Every portraits makes very beautiful. Painting brush also very important tool. Now lower portion of this face, 4B pencil and 2B pencil, middle portion, and blend it gently. Mechanical pencil gives a very smooth texture on every portrait, so it is very important for every portrait. Blending stump, I think this is very important tool for portraits. Other side, now other side, 4B pencil for darkness. Look, this is very vital part of this portrait. 2B pencil and now blending. Mechanical pencil for smoothness. Brush to eraser. This eraser absorbs carbon and graphite. After erasing some portions, now I am blending. Now I am highlights this highlighted portions with eraser and blending stump pencils, different pencils. After that I am using 2B pencil. This part is slightly hazy, but there is very important to draw. (2B pencil). This whole portion 2B pencil. And the dark portion 4B pencil. First layer blending with painting brush and after that blending stump. Blending stump is homemade. Making video link in description and comment box. After that I am using 6B pencil. If you like this video, please slap the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye friends.